Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's really important for your financial well-being, credit scores. Specifically, we're going to focus on the FICO score range from TransUnion. What is a credit score? Before we dive into the FICO score range, let's take a quick step back and understand what a credit score is. Think of it as a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess the risk of lending you money. The higher your score, the lower the risk, and the more likely you are to get approved for a loan or credit card with favorable terms. So, what is the FICO score range from TransUnion? The FICO score range from TransUnion is 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better. Here's a breakdown of the different score ranges and what they mean. Very poor, 300 to 549. This is the lowest credit score range. Lenders see you as a high risk, and it will be very difficult to get approved for credit. Fair, 550 to 649. You may be able to get approved for credit, but you'll likely face high interest rates and fees. Good, 650 to 699. You have a good credit score, which will give you more options when it comes to borrowing money. Very good, 700 to 749. You have an excellent credit score, which will give you access to the best interest rates and terms. Exceptional, 750 to 850. You have an exceptional credit score, which will make it very easy to get approved for credit. What factors are considered in your FICO score? Several factors are considered in your FICO score, including payment history. This is the most important factor. Lenders want to see that you have a history of making on-time payments on your debts. Amount of debt. The amount of debt you have outstanding can also affect your score. A high debt-to-income ratio can be a red flag for lenders. Length of credit history. The longer your credit history, the better. This shows that you have a history of managing credit responsibly. Types of credit. Having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards and loans, can also help boost your score. New credit inquiries. Every time you apply for a new line of credit, it shows up on your credit report as an inquiry. Too many inquiries can hurt your score. How can you improve your FICO score? If you're looking to improve your FICO score, there are a few things you can do. Make on-time payments. This is the most important thing you can do. Always make your payments on time and in full. Pay down debt. The less debt you have, the better your score will be. Check your credit report. Get a copy of your credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and review it for any errors. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau. Use credit responsibly. Don't apply for new credit unless you really need it. And when you do, make sure you can afford the payments. Build your credit history. If you're new to credit, it's important to build a positive credit history. You can do this by getting a credit card and using it responsibly. Your FICO score is an important factor in your financial life. By understanding what it is and how to improve it, you can put yourself in a better position to get the credit you need at the best possible rates. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, remember to be smart about your money.